You want to lose weight, you're motivated, you're ready to do all the things, and then suddenly reality smacks you in the face. Feeling overwhelmed with where to start on your weight loss journey? You're not alone, and I've got the solution for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why most women over 40 feel stuck before they even begin, and how you can break free from that frustration and see real results. And just for watching this video, if you drop the word START below, I'll send you my step-by-step guide so that you can stop feeling overwhelmed and actually start making progress today. For those of you that have not met me yet, I'm TJ Hudspeth, and I've achieved a weight loss success story myself. I lost over 100 pounds years ago and have kept it off. Let's talk a little bit about why you feel overwhelmed and, more importantly, how to fix it. All right, here's the deal. You want to lose weight, you're motivated, you're ready to do all the things, and then suddenly reality smacks you in the face. 1 minute you're on Pinterest saving healthy meal prep ideas, and the next you're stress eating chips because who has time to cook 17 perfectly proportioned meals on a Sunday? Sound familiar? Here's the deal. Most women over 40 get stuck. They tell themselves that they must overhaul their entire lives overnight. And at this point in life, your schedule is full. You have so many responsibilities and obligations that must be done on a daily basis. Adding to that schedule is a crazy proposition. My clients say things to themselves like, okay, I need to eat clean, I need to eat organic, gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, calorie-free, basically joy-free. They think they need to get up an hour early in the morning before the kids wake up to do some cardio. They feel like they have to meal prep like a fitness fanatic. And oh, we must drink a gallon of water because apparently I've been a dehydrated raisin my whole life. It's too much. No wonder they feel overwhelmed before working with me. But here's the good news. You don't have to do everything all at once. Just you need to start on one thing. When my clients come to me feeling completely lost, I tell them, pick one thing, one simple habit. We're going to focus on that this week. That's it. Not 5, not 10, just one. Maybe it's drinking more water before they have their morning coffee. Maybe it's adding protein to their breakfast instead of grabbing bagels. Maybe it's walking 20 minutes in their day while listening to their favorite podcast or talking to a friend on the phone. When you master one small habit, you build confidence, and that confidence turns into momentum, and momentum leads to results. So how about instead of freaking out over all the things that you should be doing, ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do today that my future self would thank me for? That's how you start getting results without the overwhelm. And if you're ready to stop feeling overwhelmed and start seeing real progress, drop the word START in the comments below, and I'll send you my simple step-by-step guide so that you can take action today.